Good morning, Honolulu. Hope you're having a nice day. It is currently 58 degrees, a bit chilly, so get the jackets on if you're going outside. In other news, a penguin at a zoo in Chicago somehow spontaneously combusted. Zookeepers are completely speechless. I'd be speechless too. No watches are worn.
The U.S. Pacific Command has detected a missile threat to Hawaii. A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek shelter in a nearby building, well away from windows. If you are driving, pull over safely and seek shelter in a nearby building or lay on the ground. We will announce when the threat has ended. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency. The missile threat sent out an hour ago was a hoax. There is no missile threat to Hawaii. Repeat, there is no missile threat to Hawaii. We apologize for any confusion or panic caused by the warning. Regular programming shall now continue.